like, you can eat Oreos, Cam. Anybody say you can eat Oreos? You can eat Oreos. Just eat one serving. Do you know how many Oreos make up one serving? Two. What kind of sociopath eats 2 Oreos, goes upstairs, and never comes back down again? I would have nightmares if I ate 2 Oreos and went to bed. I'd rather have no Oreos than 2 Oreos. I eat 2 Oreos on my way from the kitchen to the living room to really eat Oreos. The first 2 are just travel Oreos. Bow. Then I pull the flap back. I'm running through the whole middle. I go in with the Oreo claw. I'll be like, look. That's 8 right there. I don't even crack 9. Reload. I done ate the whole middle. All I'm trying to do is not go to the side on the first day. That's what I'm telling you.